detergent tablets today. So first, we need 2 cups of baking soda. It's not quite 2. Of baking soda, we need 2 cups of borax, okay, and then 1/2 cup of Epsom salt. Now we're gonna stir that up. Okay. All right, and now we are going to add 1/2 cup of this just white vinegar. And then we are going to add about 20 drops of essential oil. I'm just using a citrus essential oil blend. I'm gonna add extra because I like things to smell good. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead and get this all mixed up. It's kind of mixed up into this kind of sand consistency. Okay, now it says to use ice cube trays. I can't find mine, so I'm just going to use these little, I don't know what they are, soap making things. But basically you want about a tablespoonful of this mix into your mold. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for all of these. Then we're just going to leave them out overnight so they can dry, and then they should be ready to use tomorrow. Okay, so now it's next morning, these have been sitting out all night to dry, and I will say I think they turned out really good. They're holding together really well. I put some in my dishwasher last night and ran it, and it worked really good, so I'm pretty impressed with how it turned out. And a lot cheaper than buying it at the store.